Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn alphabet A to Z. So let's go kids. A. A is for aeroplane. B. B is for bear. C. C is for club. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fox. G. G is for gorilla. H. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for king. L. L is for lion. M. M is for mango. N. N is for nut. O. O is for orange. P. P is for panda. Q. Q is for queen bee. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Bye bye kids.